If you have a PC, here are 3 powerful tools you need to download. The first one is called Neat Download Manager. And you can get it by going to neatdownloadmanager.com. Whenever you're downloading something on your PC, this tool will automatically start running. And it will show you every detail about what you're downloading. By clicking on Connection, and then changing this number to the highest, this will increase the download speed to about 2 times the normal speed. The second tool is called Glary Soft Updater. And you can get it by searching for Glary Soft Updater free on Google. Just right-click on it and then run it as administrator. It will start to scan your PC for software that are not up to date. When it's done scanning, it will automatically redirect you to their safe and secure website, where you can download the latest version of the software. The third tool is called Bulk Crap Uninstaller. And you can get it by visiting pcguninstaller.com. You will be able to use this tool to uninstall software from your computer. And this tool will remove any leftover files that are associated with that software. The best part is, you can even uninstall multiple software together at the same time.